Welcome to Pierce and Bryson. Today we will learn tax secret to not pay real estate taxes, or put correctly, how to defer real estate taxes. You will learn 5 steps to achieve 1031 exchange. 1031 exchange, also known as a tax-deferred exchange, is a legal way to defer paying taxes on the sale of certain investment or business properties. Here are the basic steps to do a 1031 exchange. Step 1. Sell your current property. You must first sell the property that you want to exchange. Step 2. Identify a replacement property. Within 45 days of selling your current property, you must identify one or more potential replacement properties to buy. You can identify up to 3 properties as long as you eventually close on at least one of them. Step 3. Enter into a purchase agreement. You must enter into a purchase agreement for the replacement property within 180 days of selling your current property. Step 4. Set up an intermediary. To complete a 1031 exchange, you must use a qualified intermediary to facilitate the transaction. The qualified intermediary will hold the proceeds from the sale of your current property and use them to purchase the replacement property on your behalf. Step 5. Complete the exchange. The qualified intermediary will use the proceeds from the sale of your current property to purchase the replacement property. The title to the replacement property will be held by the qualified intermediary until you sell it in a future exchange or take ownership of it outside of a 1031 exchange. It is important to consult with a tax professional or qualified intermediary before attempting a 1031 exchange to ensure that you meet all the requirements and regulations set forth by the IRS. Thank you for learning with us today. If you found value in this content, and if you want to learn many more business success strategies, subscribe to Pierce and Bryson on YouTube. You can find Pierce and Bryson on our social media channels on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and piercebryson.com.